So the first step to making Easter bun is we're going to melt the butter. We're going to add a bottle of Jamaican stout to it and 8 ounces of sugar and mix it out. Mix out the sugar completely and allow it to cool. Yes, and this is 2 ounces of butter. So I'm just going to add the Jamaican to it now. And add the sugar. And you don't want this to boil, so just turn on the stove. Just turn on the stove and mix out the sugar completely. And as I said, put it cool. Yes, so I'm back. This is the mixture with the Jamaican, the sugar and the butter. I'm using this flour to do it also, so I'm going to get a pound of it and sieve it. Yes, so here's the flour. I'm going to add a teaspoon of baking powder to it. To the liquid, I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla, a small amount of browning, say 2 teaspoons, yes, so I'm going to add like a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. To the dry ingredients, yes, so now I'm going to grate a nutmeg. You can add your cinnamon. I don't have any mixed peel. I didn't get to buy any, so you can add your mixed peel to it. Add your cinnamon and any spice you like. I have a guava jam, but I don't really like to use that in it. Okay, so I'm just gonna sift the flour now. Yes, I'm just going to add the dry ingredients to this now. Add some of your raisin. And also add an egg. You can use a spoon to finish this process. So I'm gonna grease the baking, the loaf tins, and I use some shortening to grease it. And I'm also gonna use some grease paper. That's why I'm not gonna flour it. Don't want any of this to expose. So another small piece right here. Yes, so I'm gonna add this to the pans now. So to the top of this now, you're gonna add the rest of the raisin. And you're gonna bake this for like 30 minutes and check it. And then if it needs more time, you just give it more time. I'm gonna put this in the oven now. So to glaze the bun now, I have in this some sugar, some vanilla and water. You need it to get thick so you can glaze the buns because I don't have any honey. Yes, so these are ready now. I'm just gonna glaze them. No, let me. Yes, I'm going to glaze them now. Allow it to cool. Yes, we're just going to allow this to cool now. Perfect. I'm going to glaze the sides as well. Yes, so this is the finishing product. So we're just going to allow them to cool now.